Every million-dollar business starts with a spark that most people ignore. Think about Uber, Airbnb, or Canva. None of them invented something entirely new. They just saw what others didn't. The secret lies in recognizing patterns, frustrations, and untapped desires that are hiding in plain sight. So, how do you train your eyes to notice what others miss? The answer begins with shifting your mindset from "what can I sell" to "what problem do people desperately need solved but no one's fixing yet?" The power of observation? The biggest ideas often come from everyday life. Watch people closely, how they behave, what they complain about, and what shortcuts they use. Every complaint is a hidden business opportunity. If you notice the same frustration appearing again and again, that's your cue. Entrepreneurs who truly listen to people's pain points often build empires from them. Your job is to become a silent observer, someone who studies trends not just online, but in real-world interactions, conversations, and even habits. Validate before you build. Spotting an idea isn't enough. You need proof that people will pay for it. That's where validation comes in. Before investing time or money, test your concept with real users. Create a simple prototype, landing page, or poll. See if people actually respond. Remember, validation is not about asking friends if they like your idea. It's about finding out whether they'll spend on it. The faster you validate, the sooner you'll know if your million-dollar spark is real or just wishful thinking. Follow emerging trends, not the crowd. The best business ideas live at the intersection of new trends and old problems. Keep an eye on industries going through change: AI, sustainability, remote work, or healthcare tech. Study how technology is reshaping people's lives and habits. When you understand where the world is headed before others do, you get an unfair advantage. The goal is not to chase trends blindly, but to position yourself ahead of them. Because by the time most people notice, it's already too late. The final filter: scalability and timing. Even the smartest idea fails if it's too early or can't scale. Ask yourself, can this idea grow beyond one city, one market, or one audience? And is now the right time? Timing often decides who wins. Being too late means competing with giants, while being slightly early gives you a head start. Spotting a million-dollar idea is not luck. It's the result of awareness, timing, and the courage to act before others believe in it. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.